Hi everyone, today we'll be configuring IPv6 addresses to allow these two PCs to ping each other. So you can just copy this network if you want to follow along. It's just very basic. Just two PCs, one switch and one router. So let's start the configuration off. So let's turn on this interface here. So we need to go to the CLI and let's press no, as we don't want it to be, we want to configure it ourselves. So let's do N for enable conf T. And we want to do int g00 no shutdown. So we've got the interface up. Let's exit. We'll need to do a command called IPv6 unicast routing. What this command will do will allow us to ping the PCs to ping each other and to ping other networks. If this was not activated, they won't be able to ping other networks and things. This is normally disabled by default, IPv6 routing by default on all Cisco switches. So you'd want to enable this on mostly all your networking devices, not even Cisco. So we want to copy this IP address first of all, and we'd want to go back to the G00 interface. So we want to do IPv6 address. We want to put this address in, and we'd want to put 1 because we can see 1 here. So let's put 1, and we want to do the subnet mask, which will be 64, as that's the most common subnet mask for IPv6 networks. So let's go to PC1 and let's configure that up. So let's go to the configuration tab and let's paste this in. And we want to do 2. Well, 1, 2 will be there. That PC's IP address. So let's go to G00. Well, let's go to the fast Ethernet 0 and we want to put 2 and we want to put 64. Now we want to do PC2. Let's open that. Let's go to config, put in the IP address for the router, which will be 1. Fast Ethernet 0, we want to press 3 and we want to put 64 here, and that's done. So we want to check if they can ping each other. So let's go to desktop, let's do ping and put the IP address in, and let's put in 3 as we're pinging from PC1, and we can see we get a reply. That's a pretty easy way a basic way to configure IPv6.